This is Sam! Good day everyone! Ngayon samahan niyo ako ang gawin ng ating cable wire. Using our material QTP cable, RJ45, crimping tool, and our tester. After showing you guys our materials, the first step that we're going to do is to first measure the cable before cutting it, so we will know what is the part that needing to be cut. Using our crimping tool, cut the wire coating, and once the coating is removed, cut the plastic inside of it. After removing the plastic, straight each wires and do the same method on the other side of the cable. After we've done doing the both side of the cable, we are now proceeding to separate each color, and we should follow the color coding T568B, which is white, orange, orange, white, green, green, white, brown, and brown. After we separate each color, we should straighten it up again. And what we are going to do now is to make sure to align. So it will going to be easy to put it on the RJ45. After aligning it, using the crimping tool, we are going now to cut the other excess wires. While using the crimping tools, we should be cautious using the tool as it might cut our fingers. And we should cut it straight and evenly. We should make sure that the both side of the cable is aligned. After that, the next step we're going to do is to get the RJ45 and put the wires inside. Make sure that upon putting the wires on RJ45, it should be on the standard color coding of T568B. After making sure that the alignment and the color coding is correct, now the next step is to put the wires on the RJ45, and we are now going to test it using our cable tester. As you all can see, there is an excess wires. What we are going to do now is using our crimping tool again. We are going to cut it evenly until it is leveled. After cutting the excess wires, the next step is we were going to lock the RJ45 using our crimping tool. After finishing the both side of the cable with our RJ45, the next step we are going to do is to test it using our cable tester. You should see the same sinking of the light using the cable tester. If it is goes up, it should be goes up, and if your cable is on down, it should be down.